Hello, grade twos. Oh, I miss you guys so much. I hope you will now, as we're going to have our reading time together through your computer or maybe your mom or dad's iPad or phone, that we can still enjoy our reading lesson. So I'm going to envision that you're at the carpet with me here, and you see I've got our reading board here ready for us. And so for today, you're going to read in your reader the story In My Backpack. And this story is actually a poem. And so you're going to come across a new word, and the word is hinge. Now, in case you don't know what a hinge is, it is something that's used to open and close something. So for example, a gate maybe to go in your backyard or come out of your backyard. Doors have it. Different furniture or your suitcase might have it. So it's basically to hold the door together and allow it to open and close. So that is one of the words that you're going to find that's new for you today. Okay, now some things to kind of think about, and maybe you can talk to your mom or your dad about these before you go ahead and read today, is do you like to go camping? And if you do like to go camping, and if maybe you've already been on a camping trip before, what are some important things that you think that you should bring along? Maybe food, a flashlight, maybe pack some clothes. And to carry all these things, you always want to put them in something. So maybe like a large backpack, okay? So I want you to think about, if you were going to go on a camping trip, what were some of those things that you would put in your really large backpack, okay? And I hope that you go and you enjoy reading the poem today, because it has lots of interesting things happening in it, including some surprises. Now, after you finish reading, I'd like you to come back, because we're going to talk about the last line in the poem, okay? So in the last line, it says, I'm glad I have a large backpack. But what would happen if you only had a small backpack? And what if you could only carry a few things? What do you think would be the things that you would think are the most important and that you would want to carry in your backpack if you were going on an overnight camping trip? So I want you to talk about those questions with someone at home. The other thing that you're going to do is I have sent home in your package this sheet right here, and this is a copy of the poem. And there's a few things I want you to do with this page. We've been practicing rhyming words like bat and cat. I would like you to go through the poem, and I want you to underline rhyming words. So put them in pairs, which means two. So underline your rhyming words. The other thing that you're going to notice about poems, and we've talked about, is that poems don't always have complete sentences, but they have more fragments. And they're kind of grouped in different groups called a stanza. And I would like you to number each stanza. So for the first stanza, I want you to put a number 1, and I want you to find out how many stanzas are there in this poem. I hope you've had a wonderful time reading In My Backpack, and we will see you again next time for our next reading lesson. Have a great day, and I miss you guys.